Introducing the 2019 Toyota C-HR Limited front-wheel drive, a stylish, efficient, and well-equipped compact SUV designed for modern urban driving. Powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, the C-HR delivers smooth, efficient performance with front-wheel drive. The C-HR stands out with its unique diamond-inspired design, LED headlights, sharp body lines, and sporty alloy wheels. Inside, the heated leather trim front seats provide premium comfort, while the driver enjoys a well-designed cockpit with intuitive controls and excellent visibility. The rear seats offer comfortable space for passengers, with a stylish cabin design that continues throughout the entire interior. At the center, an 8-inch touchscreen features Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, and easy-to-use controls. The layout is clean, modern, and built to keep you connected on the road. At the back, the cargo area provides plenty of room for groceries, bags, or everyday essentials. Fold the rear seats down for even more storage versatility. Come into Lexus South Pointe today to test drive the vehicle.